Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to find online user ID and password is leaked. So we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So simply open here new tab and just put it this particular link. Have a Bing password pwned.com. You need to add this URL in your website and just simply search here which email address you want. Check. So I just simply type here my personal email address and password NED. Just simply search. So look at this. Oh no, username and password distribute like a 12 different branches. First one is Aditya Birla Funds Retailer Services in December 2021, like Big Basket 2020, like a Canva 2019, and this one 2022 also, like this one. So look at this here, 12 places my username password is leaked. So you can be carefully before you trying such kind of website and they are using your username password and distribute as or publicly. Don't save the password and don't log in such kind of bullshit websites. Again, I search here one of my email address, research rock 9, and just simply search here. So now good news, no password is found. So using this email address, I'm not logging any of the places, so that's why password leak possibility is very less. So this is a simple tips and tricks you can check once using your email address and then remove such kind of website as soon as possible.
If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.